Okie dokie. We're in Orland Park. He's gonna press the, what is that?
Wait. To cross 109 at 113. Wait.
That's pretty cool. Talks. This one is like an alarm. What the heck? It talks? What is a Polera? Cool. It's making a sound. See? And this one is too. It's like ticking away. This one's loud. We're on the other side now. We were over there. They talk too. That's pretty cool. Do it again. Let's see.
Wait to cross 113 at 159.
Cool. Thank you. There he goes. You can hear it. They're pretty loud. They're pretty loud. Thank you for telling us how to cross. Okay, bye. We gotta go. We got stuff to do.